Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling together this honey ring. Let's start by opening a new part and in a front plane a new sketch. I'm creating one construction line vertically and the other is the horizontal, and creating here one rectangle. And by this point and this edge I'm giving a midpoint option by selecting two objects and just with a control button in the keyboard. And inner diameter is 22, height is 2.5 and width is 8 mm. After that I'm just selecting one edge and select chain, everything in construction line. And I place here one arc and I will make a mirror, and here one extra construction line. This line will be mirrored on this construction geometry. 2 points will be in the same line, which is symmetric, and radius is 20. And I just close my contour. In this point we just make revolve, and we are going to make fillet 0.5, and we can make multiple fillet. Here we can give 0.75 and outer surface which is connected to this two edge going to be 0.5. After this point we are just going to cut out some materials, the front plane, sketch, and we can use old sketch. I create here one rectangle converting the old construction line, and with mirror, making here mirror and taking the old edge from old sketch and cutting unnecessary parts. 0.3 mm vertical, and from edge to here going to be 1. Connect bottom, and from here to here we say 12.5, and inside also must go. After this point we just make a revolve cut on this axis. After this operation with same sketch I am making revolve and no merge result. Let's check together what's the conclusion. Under the metals I will give gold outer ring, and I have here two strips. They are also different bodies. I will make them black. Fully black. And now we are going to make one more cutout for the honeycomb area, and I'm making my visual state hidden line. And after this point we create a sketch in the front plane, and I convert this line and making offsets on this line like 0.5 mm reverse, 0.5 mm on this line by just existing edges. I'm selecting my edges. Here we will make a yes, deepness, which is profile at the end, like this. Now I'm going to make a revolve cut, yes, and then with this revolve cut I am making one more revolve, yes. Now this one going to be again a called, it's called here, and we just find it. After this operation we are just going to cut our first cutout for gold honeycomb, and on the right plane I am creating a sketch and touching exactly where my outer point surface is, and here we go create a plane on the top, and then now we just make here a normal tool and opening a sketch. First here, yes, horizontal, and the second going to be here. These should be same, equal, yes. And the other will be here, just the mirror, yes. Let's give a value of 1.5, and I'm going to place here one extra to understand the size, if it is right or not. Parallel, and this already will be parallel, and when I gave 1.5 millimeter with same gaps, so 2.5, well, it seems the 1.5 millimeter is a little bit big now. I will make 1.35, sorry, 1.35, because the other one, which is going to be at the other side, should be with same gap, same material thickness, mirror, and here the thing that I'm trying to say exactly here also should be 0.25, and then we will make everything equal, and then we will find ideal dimension of the hexagons. 1.2 exactly. We can create this both, convert the construction line, and this is also construction line. We can cut first ones sorry, and extrude cut through all, and with a degree of 5 or 10, maybe 10 will be better, and the inner going to be cutted. 10 I found a little bit big degree, and I will make 7.5 now, yes. After this operation we will just make a 50 time circular pattern on this edge, will be 50 more than 50. We will find out now. Should be between these two angles. Yes, right plane. Normal to right plane. Seems this angle. Yes. Which is almost 3 degrees. This pattern going to be multiplied. The degree will be 3.06 into 6.12. Yes, and the number of elements that we are going to copy. Yeah, this is not a good idea. Let's make 300. This will be 360. By 3.06. 3.06, yeah. By 2. Yes. 58. Number of copies 58 that we found out now. Take a little bit long time. Sorry. 58. And the second one will be on this line and on top of this area, and exactly we are looking to that plane now from normal, and I will just go convert my entities. After this operation, I will make here a construction geometry and making mirror on this line, this construction geometry, and the second will be also just normal to that plane with 7.5 degree cut. And the number of copies will be same, 58, and on this edge program going to create for me. Yes, this is what we are searching for. We can hide now all unnecessary sketch, and in the top plane I will create a line where I can write the inscription inside, which will be 2 lines in the middle. This is 0.75, this is around 8, and converting this the construction geometry, and we go here text and we start to write our word honey, and let's try 1.75. yes, and then the font times New Roman, I will say. You can change according to your wish, and I will just make a split on the edge and just giving the different color. We are choosing here surfaces. These are little details. When we choose appearances here, if I choose face, then the operation will be covering only the face that we choose. This is also done. And the last operation that I wanna make, I'm changing display state. In the operations where it's going to be manual calculation, I'm always changing my display state because then program working better. I needed to stop video because of wrong filter operation. We are just going to try it again now. When we choose these two internal feature, the third operation should be chosen, and program going to select for me all. Yes, I will say the first operation, okay, and then we will go further with second. Here again, waiting a little bit. Starting, almost there. Yes, first is done, and then once we made it, we choose the second one. This one. Yes, all other, I think, yeah, all other choose now. Program calculating for me. And then after second operation we will be done. It's quite long video, I think. Yes, almost. Yeah. Whenever the result, we are stopping video. You guys not like so much long videos. Yeah, almost there, I think. Yes. Coming. Yeah. This is what we are searching for. I think there is some missing parts. You guys can finish that operation, so I don't want video too long. Thank you for watching. If you like, please make comment.